So once your basic setup's completed, the next thing you want to do if you're using the virtual joystick drivers is to calibrate the virtual joysticks. So the virtual joysticks within the game know the minimum and maximum for the axes. If it's the first time you've run it, there'll be a little exclamation mark down here. You only need to run this calibrate joysticks once per time you install the virtual joystick driver. So you don't have to run it every single time on every single client or anything like that, or even when you start it next time. It's just the one time on the very initial setup. So you push the button, you'll be prompted with this screen, and then the big run calibration button in the middle. When you do that, it'll run through the calibration process on the server. So don't touch the server while this is running because it uses the active window to run through and push the buttons, etc. So when you push that, you'll see it'll pop up basically USB game controllers from Windows, go through the controller calibration, and then you can watch it as it goes through and does all the axes. I think it takes about a minute and a half to go through the process, and then once it's complete, it'll report back to your client and tell you that it's complete, and you can continue with using the features. Once it's done, it'll close the windows down for you and then report back to the client to tell you that the calibration is complete. From there, you can close the window and get ready to start using the features.